Hey y'all, welcome back. And if you're new here, welcome. I don't do a lot of product reviews, but like I said in my other video, I've done a little quarantine shopping, okay? I'm getting it under control. But if you're watching this in the distant future, it is April 2020 and we're quarantined and I went shopping, okay? And so I got some good deals. So in my other video, which I will put up here, there's actually I got some stuff from Sol de Janeiro, the Brazilian Bum Bum Cream and Charosta 62 smell. Still smelling my arm. So good. Oh my goodness. The more I smell it, the more I like it. But today, I got my Birchbox. Now, this Birchbox is supposed to be special because I had a code that gave me like a second box or like double the stuff. And I will share that with you. So I like this. Okay, so everything I have on my face right now, I don't wear a lot of makeup. I just like evening out my complexion, make my eyes pop a little bit. Like I don't do a lot. I put a little bronzer, you know, so highlighter, whatever. But pretty much all my makeup comes from my little subscription bags. So Birchbox is the one I'm trying this time. I've done Ipsy. I think I've done Lippy or Lipsy. I'm doing Birchbox. So let's try this thing out. Now again, I did a promo code when I googled them. Ad came up where I could get 2 for 1. And let me add that this packaging is cute. I like the minty green color. I'm sorry, I'm legit opening this in front of you. I'm not an official YouTuber. I should have edited this part. The inside is a few boxes inside too. Okay, so I bought literally 2 boxes. Oh, they're both pretty. Okay, so this is how I try out makeup, see what I like. I have curly hair and I straighten it a lot, so as you can see, it's not crazy curly. I got some straightness figured out. If I don't think I'm gonna cut it. I'm just gonna be a straight natural. So with that being said, I like trying out these little samplers because, I'm sorry, they distracted me with the messages. I like the samplers because they can show me little products that I like. I love highlighters that make your face glow. I love serums because I'm 37 and I want to take care of my skin. So I love serums and vitamin-y stuff. Lip, I do a little lip. I prefer a nude lip. I really don't like color on my lips because, I don't know, it's just not me. I mean, it's cute, but I don't know. Plus, my lips are always chapped, so color on my lips, it just seems like it's just going to bring attention to that. I'm trying now, but I'm honest. So I was distracted because this one says, yes. And this one says, hey, look, I'm not a bill. That's neat. That is neat. So I'm going to go with the pinky one first. So this Birchbox cost me $15, $16.20 with tax, free shipping, and I got 2. That's pretty good. All right, let's see what's in here. Oh, and then there's another cute box inside. I'm done. And it's a cute box. Look at cute. That's so cute. Oh, and it slides. Oh, Birchbox. Okay, it's easier to prevent dry skin than to fix it. So change your night care routine if you wake up with dry skin. Okay, Birchbox tip number 23. And then they got the products that can help you. Okay, cool. So this is such a cool box because it slides out. I've never seen that, which is really cute. Okay, and let's see what's in here. So product number 1, I'm already happy because, okay, oh, look at that. Protect and Detangle. Beauty Protector, leave-in detangler. I like that. You know, I need that. These curls definitely need that. Beauty Protector. That's the name of the brand. Protect and Detangle. Okay. This paraben and sulfate-free detangler protects against UV rays and styling heat while preventing color from fading. Spray all over towel dry hair and comb through. Cool. They say this is the bestseller, so that's the one. Sorry, it's backward. Maybe I can edit that if I can. BB, don't blow it. Fine hairstylers for fine to medium soft hair. Bumble and Bumble. That's cute. Pretty sure I got thick hair. Maybe it's a medium. This will work. Game-changing air drying cream. Features plant-based conditioners that enhance volume and texture without using a blow dryer. I like that. That's cool. Anything that's got, like, even if it's not for my hair texture, if it's moisturizing or it's got coconut oil in it or vitamins or nutrients or protein, I'm putting it in my hair. Dr. Lip original nipple balm for dry skin, luscious lips, and glossy bits. What? 100% natural, multi-award-winning balm, famous for its long-lasting moisture and glossy effect. One product, hundreds of uses. When you apply it, it's your business. Okay, good to know. That is Dr. Lip. I just said I had chapped lips. Okay. Oh, what is this? Coco Rose Butter Lip and Cheek Balm. Oh, I gotta put not for resale. Okay, this is really cute. So this is Butanique and Butanique Beauty. This is so, and I love me some rose gold, y'all. That is something. Look at that pretty color. I could do that because that is like it complements my color. It complements the color of my lips. So I would do that because I can, you know, it'll complement. I don't want to do something crazy that's like not part of my palette. I'm learning that too. Okay, so that is Butanique Beauty. I'm excited to use that. Lip and cheek balm. Very cute. Very natural color. And then I got Melon and Goetz Revitalizing Eye Gel. Cool, cool. Let's see what that's about. Soothing, hydrating gel alleviates tired-looking eyes by cooling on contact and brightening skin with diamond powder. Dab a little underneath the eyes with the ring finger. I can do that too. This is first time sampling. Okay. So I'm gonna go over that first box again. I have Beauty Protector Protect Spray On Leave-In Conditioner. I have BB Don't Blow It Fine Hair Styler. A little bit of Bumble and Bumble, very cute. Dr. Lip Original Nipple Lip Balm. Okay. And Butanique Beauty Coco Rose Lip and Cheek Balm color. So cute. Okay. And then we got Malin and Goetz Revitalizing Eye Gel. Very, very nice. Okay, so this box is usable. I can definitely see myself using, unfortunately, Dr. Lip for my lips. The color here. Spray and protector. Why not? Like, I think that's pretty good. Don't Blow It Fine Hair Styler. I mean, I guess I could use it. I'm trying to figure out if I use it without blow drying. So maybe in a roller set. I don't know. And then eye gel. Cool. I want to use things for my anti-aging, but I also don't want to have my body, my face, my skin dependent on chemicals. So my plan is to use natural as possible items on my face, so that even though I am aging, I don't want to start using anti-aging like creams that are supposed to make my skin do something it's not naturally going to do. So I'd rather use natural things on my face, and I can share with y'all what I use on my face soon. So this is box number 2. Hey, look, it's not a bill. Ooh, ooh. Okay. It's so cool. So I promised myself I'm not shopping for a while, for like 40 days. And this little box is cute too. Look at this. It's like watercolors, almost like markery crayons. Like somebody drew this, if you guys can see that. So pretty. Okay. Alright, it says Birchbox tip number 200. Look for lip products with peppermint oil for a plumping effect. That's good to know. Okay, I have some peppermint oil. I put it in my hair because I know it helps your follicles grow, and it tingled quite a bit. I was like, okay, I need to cut it a lot more than I did. All right, so let's see what we got. Okay, first item up. BB Hairdressers Invisible Oil. Heat and UV Protective Primer. Okay, spray on damp hair, comb through, and style. Okay, this looks good for like, maybe when you're in this pool in the sun, especially if you got color. This seems really good to use. Does it have a smell? I'm just going. Not much. I can't smell it over my perfume. No, not much of a smell. It smells fresh. But yeah, this looks good. It says Hairdressers Invisible Oil Protective Primer, leave-in treatment, defrizzes, detangles, protects hair hydrated, protects leaving hair hydrated and smooth. Apply to clean, damp, and style as usual. Okay, that's cool. It seems very light. It's almost like watery. So I think that'd be one to use. And y'all know I love my serums. Okay. Beauty Counter Balancing Yang Lang Facial Oil. Okay, Beauty Counter is number 3 on one of those steps. Number 3, Balancing Facial Oil. Girl, this face oil absorbs quickly to deeply dehydrate and boost skin's clarity and tone, like that. Currently unavailable on Birchbox. Please visit the brand's website to purchase. So they're not carrying it, but the website has it. And I would love to know what's in here because I love natural things. So the fact there's Lang Lang in there, I know that's natural product. And the fact that it's an oil, I like it. I will see what's in it. And it's small enough that I won't use it forever. But I'm just really careful about getting my skin used to things that aren't natural, because then I feel like you have to keep using that. Stila lip gloss, again, works with the natural color. They're winning. Stila Cosmetics Beauty Boss Lip Gloss in the color Synergy. And Stila Cosmetics is woman founded. We love how hydrating and comfortable this lip gloss is. The light iridescent pink shade gives lips a subtle sheen and adds volume for a plump effect. That is cool. And look at this. It's so tiny and it feels so good. And it's got the shimmer and it's got, even though I know that that means there's not a lot of product, I really like the fact that that is cute like that. So cute. Let's see what the brush is like. Oh yeah, it's cute. It's like a flat brush. The name of the color again is Synergy. I could work with that. All right, 2 more items. Okay, Perfectionist Refining Facial Pink Clay in AHA and ABA. Cool. Natural products. Okay, let's look at this. One Kind Perfectionist Refining Facial Mask, full size, $24. This mask uses exfoliating acids and detoxifying clays to work together to polish and purify in one step, making your skin look bright and glowing. I like that. I think that's something I don't pay a lot of attention to is pores. And I notice like right on my nose here, I have a good deal of pores and I don't like that, but I've never really done much about it. But I think I could try this. And I forgot what they stand for, but I'm pretty sure AHA and BHA are natural products. I think that's what they put in formula. Let me just see how it smells because it's a clay, but oh yeah, gotta open it. Use 1 to 2 times a week. Not much of a smell, and again, I can't smell it over the Sol de Janeiro Serosa 62. It smells so good. I can't. Okay, last thing. City Limits eyeshadow. Now, I've gotten a lot of eyeshadows in different subscription bags, and they end up being crazy. The lip, I mean, I'm getting bright purple. I'm getting iridescent lip gloss, like literally blue iridescent lip gloss. I'm like, I'm 37, and I know I'm not old, but still, like, I don't want, and I get bright blue eyeshadow. Like, I don't do stuff like that. Like, maybe if I was trying to have fun, but this right here, that is a nice, nudie, natural gold champagne color. I don't know if it's going to pick up on this iPhone, but it is cute. And it's called Nightfall. Lush eyeshadow. And it's animal friendly and it's vegan. Ipsy Lush eyeshadows are highly pigmented, buttery, and blendable shades infused with Rosehip Seed Oil for skin protecting properties. And again, that's a win. You know, I love makeup, but I'm very careful about what I put on my face because, again, whatever your skin gets used to. So a lot of times people, you know, with all the makeup, they end up doing so much to your skin. It's good to give it something back. It's so much pulling and tugging on the eyes and the skin, people putting on their foundation downward. And I'm like, oh my goodness, your skin wants to go up. Your skin is naturally going to come down because of gravity, but we need to go up. And I see people pulling their foundation down and I'm just like, no. So anyway, This has actually some rosehip seed oil in it for your skin. I love it. It's tiny, but it's cute. I'm excited about it. I'm just actually going to dab it on my hands, see, because I can't help myself. Oh, it's so pigmented. Look at that. Look at that. Let's see what it looks like up here. Give me a nice little. Can't really see it. I got enough stuff on my face. It's pretty. That is a lot. It's a lot for one little dab. Check that out. That's so cute. So that's everything. So again, the Bumble and Bumble Hairdressers Invisible Oil for UV protection. Definitely something I can see myself using when I'm in the pool, getting in and out. I do a lot of conditioners when I get in and out the pool too, by the way. Like I'll do a cheap dollar store arganol coconut oil conditioner, and I put it in my hair and I double strand twist it, or I'll put it in some flexi rods and I'll have a nice like loose wave. And then when I go in the pool, I know the pool's going to strip all that, so I just go upstairs, rinse it out, and I put conditioner in and do it again every night. So my hair's, I never let the chlorine be like directly in my hair. That's a little tip. I always let that conditioner be the first thing it strips. Then as soon as I'm able, I go wash it out and put more conditioner in. Okay. And then we got the beauty counter, number 3, balancing oil. Okay, this is pretty cool stuff. I'm really lang. Okay, Stila Cosmetics pretty plumping lip gloss, Beauty Boss lip gloss and Synergy. Very cute, very natural to the palette. I always say that if you want to change up your look and have a drastic look, go for it. But I really like looking like me and just playing up what I already have. So always go for colors that kind of complement your skin like you already have. So I already have like a mauve gold in my eyelids, so I put on mauve gold. Champagnes, pale peaches, mauves, golds. I don't know. I'm not a pro. I keep it simple. Perfectionist, right? Perfectionist by One Kind. Refining facial mask, exfoliating acids, and detoxifying clays. I'm gonna try this. It says it's formulated without synthetic fragrance, artificial colors or dyes, silicones, parabens. So this is a good one too. I'll let y'all know if anything really is crazy, like it really works for me. And then I got the Ibby Nightfall. Very good. I think I have some other Ibby brushes from another subscription bag, so I really like them. But I hope you enjoyed this. I will share my link and the code I used to get 2 boxes for the price of 1. So I pretty much got all of this for $15, $16.20 with tax, and I have 10 products to try. So it's like $1.60 with tax per product. I think if I saw this in a regular store and walked in, it was $1.60, I'd buy it. So I'm really excited. I think I came up and I really like this bag, so I think I might continue. And the cute boxes, like you can use this, like you can even separate your makeup into different categories, right? So I am pleased. This is Birchbox. I will share a link. Maybe we can help each other out. You buy from my link and we both get some goodies. That's usually how they do it. But let me know if you have any questions about any of this stuff I got, what I'm using, and soon I'll be doing this Dillard's fragrance sample. I am trying hard to find my signature scent. I think I found it. And I'll tell you something about some of the other scents that I tried that are like very popular, but just really didn't do it for me. So anyway, y'all take care and have a blessed day.